What's up, guys? Let's talk about Tokyo Revengers. Tokyo Revengers is the one of the biggest anime series in 2021, diving into a world of crime and time travel that has definitely landed, has a unique new story within the medium, and it seems as if the new television series has helped skyrocket the sales for the original manga publishers by Kodansha, the same publisher behind Attack on Titan manga. This series is definitely seeking to be the next big thing in the world of manga, within anime helping it to reach new height. Let's talk about Tokyo Revengers story. The manga has created by Ken Waki, first landed in 2017 and has continued to tell the story of Takemichi to his date as he darted between the present and his past as a high schooler to save his ex-girlfriend who found herself dead at the hand of the Yakuza. He find out that the only girlfriend he ever had in his life, that he dated in middle school, Hinata, had been killed by this ruthless Tokyo Manji gang. The day after hearing about her death, he's standing on the station platform and end up being pushed over onto the track by a herd of people. He closes his eye thinking he's about to die, but when he opened his eye back up, he somehow had gone back in time 12 years. Now that he back living the best day of his life. Talk about main protagonist Takemichi decided to get revenge on his life by saving his girlfriend and changing himself that he had been running away from. This story is really similar to Erase and Science Gate, and that what I like about the anime art. All of the character in the anime look absolutely fantastic. Well, talk about manga. According to recent sale and figures, the manga for Tokyo Revenger is selling around 6.7 times the amount it had sold prior to the release of the anime, proving that plenty of folks are looking to read ahead in the story. The series has sold over 10 million copies both digital and physically, proving that there are plenty of fans seeking to learn more about the crime-ridden world. About few episodes ahead of his anime, and there are people already scoring it with a 10. That's why we can trust it in the score. The way the MC remember his past is blunt and seems to have been made by an amateur. Really bad narrative. The consequences of his time travel are very bad arranged to chapter 4 at least. The atmosphere of the anime and the character are charming, even as this is a knight save the princess distinguished in the time travel shonen anime. Once the anime finish or there is an important event on, it'll update the review. Had a lot of hate because of this review, so it'll make a statement here for this review to be better understood. This anime is still taking from, they are not even show up the antagonist, and it have some experienced reviewer scoring it 9 out of 10, speaking about the OP smart villain. And so if you are manga reader, there is a place where you can score it. Very nostalgic Japanese gang atmosphere, specifically for those of you who are in the love with Japan for a long time already or lived in Japan for a long while. Talk about music to top that the opening and ending music is a blast. I set it on repeat all time. Art is far from outstanding, but you have to understand this is not a drawing music movie type anime, yet art for sure is high enough grade. Well, I am a sucker for anything with a lot of plot twist, and Tokyo Revenger is one of them. There are so many cool characters too. The thing I would say need fixing are the plot holes. Well, let's talk about IMDb rating 8.5 out of 10. Thank you for watching and keep subscribe.